This is the Firecracker Palette from Lurella. This is one of the palettes that they included in that wonderful mystery box that they sent me. This is what the palette looks like, and she's pretty. Yes, she is. Brush, please, I want to do swatches. We must get the camel a brush. The camel will now present you with some swatches. Very nice job with the swatches, Miss Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I enjoy swatching. I want to create some eye looks with that palette. I need a brush. How many do you need? How many do you got? Oh my. And last time I think I had to wash the brushes. Those are my fingers. I'd like to keep them attached. Well, then get them out of the dang way. Leave a comment down below as to which of the eye looks you prefer. And have you tried anything with this palette? The camel will now get to work. For this look from the Firecracker palette, Miss Fatima utilized this shade here in the inner corner and also over here to create some stars. For the stars, she utilized the empties from a star sticker page, cutting them out and utilizing them to create a stencil. She then used the colors Lady Liberty and Founding Fathers for the red and the blue. And she found that instead of trying to use brush strokes, it worked better to utilize the tip end of one of these applicators as a stamp to tap the color on rather than try to brush it on. To achieve this look, Miss Fatima took some of this shade and put it in the inner corner. She then took some of this shade and spread it out around in here, and then took some of that shade and used it on the outer corner, blending as she went. She again found that this palette seems to work best with blotting with one of these types of applicators rather than trying to brush things on. She then finished up with some of this shade tapped into the middle in an attempt to achieve a bit of a sparkle. We hope that you have enjoyed our video with the Firecracker palette from Lurella. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Hit the like button. Hit the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on any of our further adventures because we have fun over here. Yes, like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all of that fun stuff. Check out the description box below. Check out the videos on the screen. And we hope to see you soon.